It's the 27th of April, and my upload this morning is with regard to the ongoing offences that I'm experiencing in Tralee, County Kerry. The slander and defamation of my character has been quite phenomenal. The over consumption of individuals spending a lot of time and energy in causing a very destructive consequence and outcome for other individuals and for those that have compromised their positions in their professional life to offend my child and I. So I'm quite surprised that the intelligent individuals that have caused a serious amount of development in this charade haven't been clearly updated about the facts of repeat offences against a mother and teacher. I'm surprised that the unlawful actions are being accommodated. I'm surprised that intelligent human beings have been so offensive to women and children's rights, and I'm very surprised that individuals would compromise their own family lives for their offences against my child and I. As a law-abiding citizen and the slander I've experienced, I'm very concerned about the illegalities and the professional standards of the individuals that are jeopardizing civil society. So there's a lot of aspects to all of this matter that are very offensive, not just to women and children's rights, not just to my child and I, but also to the professional standards of the individuals that are offending needlessly my child and I. So the impact statements with the DPP and the ombudsman procedures commenced in 2017 do not permit repeat offenders of the Kerry University Hospital, the Child and Family Agency, the Legal Aid Board, the Medical Council, the general practitioners that damaged my child's health and my own health. All of these individuals mentioned in an impact statement are not within remit to cause repeat offence. So it's basically now an issue that PTRB regulations are being violated, and it's awful. It's a lawless situation and a lot of unlawful actions. The slander of a peaceful citizen's good name as a consequence of culprits of hate crime having a free reign is highly offensive and jeopardizes everyone's reputation. The spiritual violence in this community that I've experienced, it's indescribable, the offences I've experienced. So those of repeat offences might be reminded of the law and the procedures required to address the illegalities that have been conducted against my child and I, especially in particular the cybercrime issues and the issue of slander of my good name, character and reputation. So it's the date that it is. Human rights abuses are occurring in my hometown where I've lived and where I've worked, and there are people not concerned about the reputation that they're causing to a lovely town and county. People's greed and avarice and covetousness are obviously taking precedence over good sense. So just as a reminder to repeat offenders, there's remit not possibly violated with unsubstantiated or inauthentic slanderous commentaries from assistance of culprits of hate crime. I hope the ECHR is aware of the dangers in society when spiritual violence has been involved against an innocent mom and child. There's been a lot of malpractice and misconduct, and I really am concerned for the United Nations as a humanitarian agency with the extent of work that they have. I'm sure they're very busy, but in Tralee, County Kerry, there's a huge human rights issue caused due to hate crime, and it's a huge concern.